looking at a 2023 Lexus GX460 key fob. We're going to change it. We're going to open it to change the battery in it. First thing we're going to do right here on the left side is push this button in here, hold it down with your thumb, and then you can pull out the emergency key. That unlocks that. Now you got a slot right here in the middle of the remote where you can use a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to put it in here and give this a twist, okay? And that opens up the remote without you damaging it or prying at it, okay? So we can just crack it open like that. We want the buttons facing down. And we can take the cover off. And here's our battery. We're gonna put our thumb on it like this to hold all this together because all this can fall out and you don't want that happening. Go at the bottom here, this little slot, allow us to pry the battery out. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is gonna be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. We're gonna put it in the remote like this and lock it in like that, okay? If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery. Then we just get the two halves and we're gonna stick the top half on first. Okay, line it up like that. And just work our way back down until it locks and clicks. Emergency key goes back in, it locks in, you're all done.